Hello, Anna. Thank you for having me here today. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hello, Emma. Thank you for inviting me. I'm one of the co-founders of EcoCinix, a textile recycling facility from Timișoara, Romania, and I'm here to discuss more about our idea of sustainability.
What inspired you to start EcoCinix? Was sustainability always part of the vision?
The sustainability was the main reason for starting EcoCinix. Everything starts from the question, what happens with textile waste nowadays? Because we saw on the road huge amount of textile waste, and we knew about other types of waste that can be recycled. So our question was, what happens and where we can send our textile waste, the clothes that we don't use anymore, for recycling? And the answer was, no one knows about recycling in our city.
So that's how you decided to start the first textile recycling company in the western part of Romania?
Yes. When we start EcoCinix, none of us, me and the other founder, knew anything about textiles, about recycling, about the option that we have for textile waste. So we did a great research, and 1 year after, here we are with EcoCinix, ready to change the world, the game.
That's great. So how does your company work? Can you walk us through what happens to a textile from the moment it's collected?
Yes. When we collect them, we sort them by category. After that, the ones that we can't reuse, we select them by composition in order to process them and obtain raw materials for other industries. Our raw material is the fiber that it's used to create a new yarn, to create geotextiles, to make insulations and other multiple applications.
That's great. So you can do a lot of things with textiles. What other products can you use recycled textiles in?
We can make decorative pillows. This is one of our projects, and the research, it's not over yet, so we found more and more applications for our raw materials.
And what types of textiles can be recycled and which ones are more difficult?
Yes, basically every textile can be recycled. Practically, when we start to select them, we arrive in a point that we see that it's not true, because the ones affected by mud, the ones that are affected by chemical solution can be recycled, and after that are the ones used in the fashion industry that mostly are laminated, are coated to obtain better clothes. So those ones are hard to recycle in our process, because we use a mechanical process to recycle our textile, and for the technology that we use, those ones are most difficult to recycle.
So you prefer a simple fabric that has not been treated too much or does not have any additional things on top of it?
Right, and this is one of the requests from our clients that are using the fibers. They are looking for straight fibers, simple fibers to produce by their need.
I see, that makes a lot of sense. And then what can a family do at home to reduce this textile waste they're producing?
Yes, one of the advice that we can give to families is to think twice before they are buying a new clothes, and to look for good quality clothes. That makes a difference. And to don't send to recycle clothes that can be used again. It can be reused by their friends, their neighbors. and it can be donated. Recycled should be the last option for a cloth.
I see. So you encourage donating or swapping or finding other ways to use that textile rather than breaking it down mechanically.
Right. This is the most sustainable way to reduce the amount of textile waste. After that, the clothes that can be used anymore, they can make, I don't know, another handmade decorative things with them.
Mm-hmm. So upcycling these clothes.
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks a lot, Anna. This was very helpful, and I hope families will now better understand what clothing recycling means.
Thank you for inviting me again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.